Good, how are you doing?
Good. So today we're on Newport, right in front of the Community Services Department. And you know, usually when you and I are together, we're everything public works, but you guys don't handle everything in the city. There's also community services. So let's talk about that collaboration.
Yeah, so we have a great relationship with our Community Service Department. As you see here, we had an issue where there was a sign that was the marquee sign that was blocking view for people pulling out of the center here. And so in collaboration with Community Services, they removed the sign and the footings, and then our crews came through and installed an additional section of sidewalk so that pedestrians can move further away from Newport, and it'd be better visibility for the people pulling out of the parking lot.
Love that. And how important is it for the two departments to work closely together?
Oh, it's key. It's like everything in the city, every department's on the same page, and it helps us provide a high level of service for our residents.
Love that. And speaking of community services, I have Jay here with us today.
Listen, Gabby and Tyler, you guys can't just have all the fun here. I've been hanging out with the Community Service Department, and I have Bryce, the parks manager, here. Tell me what's really going on.
There's a lot going on in the city, and ourselves, Community Services, we do a lot throughout the whole city. We have 22 parks, 14 facilities, 7 million square feet of right-of-way landscape. We manage over 12,000 trees. There's a lot going on every day here.
That's pretty awesome. I mean, we know what you guys do, and Tyler and I have Menifee in the works, but what do you guys have?
You know, that's a great idea. We should come up with our own show. How does home field advantage sound?
Introducing the newest original series from Menifee TV. We're going behind the scenes with the City of Menifee's Community Services Department to see what it takes to keep our parks, right-of-ways, and facilities operational and looking good. Get your boots on and grab a shovel. You might get a little dusty. Stay tuned for more episodes of Home Field Advantage.